Left side! Left side, I got one out, one's walking out now. I got one behind the truck. Watch your head.
Over on that side. Two actually. Fuck, he's got green dot. He's got me in the eyeball.
What?
Green dot laser. I can't see shit. Got me right in the eye.
Reloading.
Fucking prick. It's a dick move.
Nice play, man. I think I've only got one in the building up here.
Tower or bunker?
Building. Like left building. There's just one left building. He's back of the building. If you put paint on him, I'll try and move on. Okay. Back of the building. You see him?
Yeah, I don't know if I hit that.
Ah! He's out!
You yelled everybody off. Nice job, boy.
Who got me? Nice shooting, man.
Come on, thanks.
Good play.
Buddy, man.
Yeah, Dude, that was fucking awesome.
Yeah, that was good.
Alright, we're gonna...
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. I just wanted to send out a couple shoutouts. One of them to Lead Farmer Paintball. I may have shot him a couple times in this one, but he definitely got me in the back as I turned around and ran in the next game that we played. So it was a lot of fun playing with him. Hope to do it again soon. I also wanted to say thanks to Commando Action Center. It was a lot of fun playing at their field. I mean, it always is. So if you haven't been to their field, I definitely recommend checking it out. Lastly, I just wanted to say thanks to Steve from Tier 1 Armament for hooking me up with that badass shotgun. It was a lot of fun to use. If you guys are interested, just talk to Steve from Tier 1 Armament. Thanks again for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll have more coming out soon.